Just get ready cause everything changes in Jan in the crypto world. You wanna know the last information? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, crypto to the max, and today we end May and we are going to analyze all you need to know. And we are happy to say that probably we are going to end, we still have today, but we're going to end May on the green. Why? Because we are right now in 68,183. We went all the way up to 71,000, almost $72,000 this month of May with these previous highs, almost the all-time high. And we have to go all the way down to 60,629 in order to close the month in the red. So I believe it's going to be a green one. And you can see that we've been in the green for Bitcoin monthly returns for a long time. Since September here, you can see September, October, November, December, then January, February, March. We had a bad April, but now May is going to be green again. So many time in the green. And now you can see that May and June months with some green and some red in the last history of Bitcoin. And we are going to analyze that in today's video. So you can see that we are here, May, and we have to be happy and optimistic, in my opinion. Why? Because we are not gonna close in all-time highs, but we are gonna close this monthly candle above the line of the all-time high that we had in 2021, what I believe is awesome. And if we go a little bit higher, we almost are gonna close that monthly candle in the all-time high of 2021. So yeah, you can see this chart, you can see how Bitcoin is going crazy up. You can see that maybe we had some bad times, but we keep on going higher. And I believe this trend is clearly a good one. Even though I'm not expert, I have no idea whatsoever what's gonna happen. Not even Satoshi Nakamoto knows what's gonna happen. But it seems we are okay. Now for Bitcoin history, 7 May in the green and 6 May in the red. That's what's going to be forever in the data for Bitcoin. And also you can see that when we are in a bull market, of course, well, all those months are in the green. So if we are in a bull run right now, maybe we are going to have a good May, we are having it, and a good June. Why not? 6 Junes in the green and 6 June in the red also. So good to know that, yeah, if history repeats, then we are going to be okay. Also, you know that here on Crypto News, you have more information than any other channel where we go deeper, where we told you crazy stuff. Like, for example, this pattern that I found in nobody else. Did you know that if you go to the whole history of Bitcoin, June and May, if we have a green May, we have a green June. If we have a red May, we have a red June. You can see it here. Green, green, red, red, green, green, red, red, green, 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 red, red, green, green. You can see here, we didn't. Here we didn't. But here, red, red, and red, red. So right now, if we go to the average, well, you can see that we might have a green June according to that. This is crazy as myself. I'm also telling you, what about election years in United States? It was a green May and a green June? No, it was a red one last time. But we had a green and green and green and green May and Junes in 2012 and 2016. So yeah, 1 out of 3 times is not a red June, but I still believe that we might have a green one. In any case, consider that if we go to that point in election years, you can see that we might go a little bit lower than we were in May, closer of the candle, but not a lot. You can see there in this small white thingy that we went down a little bit, this yellow line, but very little. Also, if we go to 2016, you can see that we went up and then a little bit down of that line 2 months after. So, well, maybe that will happen again. It didn't happen on 2012. So, 2 out of 3 times it happened. So we might be, but any case, if we go down and we compare the situation with these moments here, it might be true that we are not going to be below 64,000 or something like that. That would be crazy. That would mean that we are in this bull market again, and the rest of the year is going to be amazing. We will share that with you here on Crypto News. Remember to smash the like button. We told you in previous videos, remember those election years and how we should go higher. Watch them all if you haven't, because we have there percentages of how much we can go up from here to election day and then again to the top of the cycle, which allegedly might be a good timing. You have all the information in these 2 videos, and you have some others newer that also tells you the information. So watch them all, follow the paths of those election years. We are still on the path of those yellow bricks, and today we are going to analyze the RSI that we had on that election year on 2016, 2017. And you can see that we are doing something very similar, in my opinion, with the RSI as we did at that moment in time. So if that's true, well, we might go just like we did here in 2017 and start our way up. Maybe we are not gonna do May and June 2016. That was our previous statement that we have here, but maybe we are doing 2017. And if that's the case, well, we still have some room to go for the RSI before going down. And that way will lead us to $1 million for one Bitcoin, which is not so crazy. Cathy Wood believes 1.5 million for just one Bitcoin on 2030. For that, Bitcoin has to go up on the daily chart, and we have here the chart. We're going to refresh it, and you can see that we are back on this line we lost in the previous crypto news. So maybe we are going to hold this line. We'll see about that. Expect some volatility today because we have a lot of options out there expiring today, and the maximum pain would be around 65,000, but I don't think we're going to go all that way down, even though ChatGPT believes it's a possibility. Any case, 13 days in a row with inflows in the ETFs, that's a good one. And Cathy Wood talked at Consensus saying that Bitcoin is lovely, that right now crypto is a political issue, that she prefers Bitcoin to Ethereum, of course, and that they weren't expected whatsoever the approval of the ETF of Ethereum. So that's why she believes now, as myself, as I told you, now this is a political issue. So yeah, well, it also had time to price El Salvador and their policy about Bitcoin and artificial intelligence. So yeah, Cathy Wood, one of the defenders of Bitcoin, saying that it's okay having Bitcoin in your portfolio because it's a risk safe. So yeah, you can diversify with it, and it's a digital asset, a new class asset that you should consider, of course. Then we have McHenry urging the Senate to pass FIT21 crypto bill before election. And maybe, we told you in previous video, Biden now needs some crypto bros. So maybe they will do in the term. We'll see about that. Ethereum and the ETFs maybe will create FOMO on the cryptocurrencies right now, maybe finding support in this line. The market fighting for the green. The bubbles going up on the memes again, like Pepe, 9.5%, and BIM. Maybe there's something we don't know about this cryptocurrency, now going up 26%. Of course, if you want to know everything about that, dextools.io, where you can see Pepe the Frog, of course, but almost everything you see here is politic related. You have there Trump, free Trump, and all about the president and Trump and Biden and Biden. And why is that? Well, cause of the information about Donald Trump being guilty in the trial. And before and after and during the trial, well, the price of some tokens going up and down. So right now, it seems that you can be speculating if you are a degen with actuality, with current affairs, and the tokens related to those. So once more, if you need information about those tokens, dexters.io is your platform. Dollar today, a little bit up right now, but yesterday went down, which is a good thing. And if you are following crypto news 3 days in a row, Asian market and my crazy theory is working. So are you using it for your trades? If so, tell me. If you don't know what I'm telling you, just watch previous videos because I explained there that to you. As I told you that we are in a huge campaign now with Trezor, and you might have one Trezor for free. You can buy one of the Trezors, doesn't matter which one, maybe the Trezor Model 1, which is just 59 euros. I prefer, of course, the Trezor 3, but you can buy the one, and then you are in a draw for a Trezor Save 3. So do that, fill the form if you are buying one of those with the link in the description below, and you use the number, you tell me the invoice, then every week we're going to draw one of those. That's a nice price, as it's always a price having a 10% discount for coin tracking. What about your tax report? Do you have that already for your crypto? We are running out of time. June is here. It's your last chance. So use the link in the description below. In case you need a paid version, then you're going to have a 10% discount today or in the future. So use the link today. Thank you very much. And if you, as myself, had trouble with BlockFi, consider this important information. Today is your last opportunity to go to the website. They are going to shut the website down. Why would we want to go there today? In order to create some screenshots or maybe download the information that you can have there in case in the future you want to use it. Because tomorrow you are not going to be able of going in. And if you are concerned about all that, I'm going to leave you this Reddit link in the description below, where a lot of people is telling you information about this. But as a sum up, and also consider other sources and find other information. But as a sum up, what you should do today is go to BlockFi and have your information, have those screenshots. Then, second homework you have to do today is check that the email you had in BlockFi is the same email you have in Coinbase. If not, try to change it or create another account with Coinbase with the same address. Because allegedly, we will have our money in Coinbase in the future in a, it seems to be automatical withdrawal. So we'll see about that. Also check your spam in case you have a Coinbase email. But as you are in the spam folder, be careful because we are going to have information from Coinbase in order to have our money back. But also you are going to be scammed with a lot of false emails from Coinbase. So be safe doing that. If you have doubts, don't do anything and check information before you do bad stuff. And we end with a nice piece of information about our pool, Cardano, fun on the right, 0% fees, and we validated the 4th block in a row. So congrats to everybody coming with us because we are validating like crazy. Thank you for your support to all those 439 delegators that we have. That's that for today. I missed the cat today. I forgot about it. But you have cats and a lot of other stuff on AI news. Watch our other channel about artificial intelligence. And if you want more about crypto, then of course one of these videos here. On Crypto News, fun on the ride, health, money, love, crypto to the max, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!